Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the php5ts library DLL error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. To kick off the manual repair for php5ts library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the php5ts library, the PHP5 thread-safe TS core engine. It manages the unmanaged localized execution of localized PHP localized scripts, facilitating the localized data link between localized web localized requests and localized server-side localized logic. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. A standard troubleshooting step is to perform a fresh install of php.net. Head to Microsoft's official site, download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables, and run the setup files. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with php5ts library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of PHP5ts library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for PHP5ts library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve PHP5ts library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.